Access Control, Coady, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in Coady, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in Coady, Texas. Most of our customers report that our systems are easier to use than traditional locks and keys. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. It's important to have a solid physical access control system in place so that you can monitor who is coming and going from your building. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Furthermore, physical access control systems can also offer a great deal of flexibility and customization, allowing you to tailor them to the specific needs of your business. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. If you forget to lock your office doors but have a physical access control system, then someone who has access to the physical access control system will still be able to enter your office. We work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. In the event of a security breach, the physical access control system will detect when someone unauthorized enters your office and will trigger an alarm. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today, 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Coady access control/.